Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Gobi 65 or cauliflower fried rice street food style. If you like street food style of food, then you'll definitely like this fried rice. And you can't stop eating this. It's so delicious. This makes a perfect lunchbox rice or a special occasion party food. Both kids and adults will enjoy having this. To prepare this, in a bowl, I've taken 250-gram cauliflower cut in big size chunks. I'm adding hot boiling water and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, drain all water. In the same bowl, I'm adding 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and required salt. Combine well. Add required water and mix to a smooth paste. Add the cauliflower florets to the prepared batter. Combine evenly and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Heat required oil for deep fry. Add the cauliflower florets in small batches and fry them in high flame. Keep tossing them in regular intervals. The cauliflower is now well roasted. Take them out. The Gobi 65 is now ready. Now to prepare fried rice, I've taken 1 cup basmati rice and cooked them until soft. 1/3 cup each sliced carrot, cabbage and capsicum. Few chopped spring onion whites. Some finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic and 2 green chilies. For the sauces, in a bowl I'm adding 3 teaspoons soya sauce, 3 tablespoon chili sauce and 3 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix well and the sauce mixture is now ready. I've also taken few chopped spring onion greens, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and 2 tablespoon oil. In a hot pan, add oil. Add spring onion whites. Toss until translucent and crisp. Add green chilies, chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Quickly toss in high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the sliced vegetables. Toss in high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the vegetables. Now add the prepared sauce mixture. Combine well with the vegetables and toss for 1 minute. Add the fried cauliflower. Combine the cauliflower with the vegetable sauce mixture. Add required salt. Combine well. Now add the cooked basmati rice. Combine the rice evenly with the cauliflower and vegetables. Finally add pepper powder and few spring onion greens. Give a final good mix. The Gobi 65 fried rice is now ready. This makes a perfect lunchbox rice or a party food, and you can't stop eating this. It's so delicious. Do try this fried rice and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.